clear video of them touching down. We've had reports in Indiana. So far, no reports of injuries there. We've seen reports in southern Michigan. We have a tornado warning now in central Missouri, south of St. Louis. Now, and one person killed in Oklahoma now because of some of these very, very powerful tornadoes coming in. So new tornado video coming in each, really several hours that we're getting reports of it. And we got meteorologist Robert Speta here. As, there is the possibility of severe weather here along either the first coast, Golden Isles of Georgia, southeast Georgia as we get through the end of the week.
Yeah, Lou, you got it. I mean, maybe not those insanely destructive ones we're seeing like out west, but even heading into tomorrow evening, there is that chance of some tornadoes. Big reason is, you got this big trough off towards our north. We've been baking in this heat. The heat is going to add fuel to some instability as we go ahead through your Thursday evening, especially in southeast Georgia and maybe even over towards Friday, closer to Jacksonville. Yeah, you just mentioned there is a current tornado warning as of 12:19 here, just south of St. Louis. You have plenty of severe weather. Even there was some tornado warnings outside of Knoxville earlier here as well. That's all towards our north. Currently here in Jacksonville, though, plenty of clear skies, which is allowing for the heat to set in. Today, no worries about any rain or anything like that, but the heat indices already over at 90 degrees in a few spots, and it's going to feel like that all the way up until this evening. We're pretty much closer to sunset. It's going to at least feel like it is 90 plus out there across the First Coast. And then tonight, we're not cooling down all too much. It's going to stay warm and muggy, 70 degrees. Sunrise at 6:37, and guess what? Once that sun comes up, it's going to heat up pretty quickly out there. So let's talk about that severe weather threat today. Yeah, it's back towards the north, right here in the red, that moderate chance. Already seeing several tornado warnings, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get more confirmed tornadoes today. That whole threat is going to shift towards the south and east, extending from Texas all across what we call Dixie Alley here, out towards Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and including a good portion of the First Coast. Thursday evening, we could be looking at a chance of some severe weather. And then again here on Friday, all that is going to shift towards the south. So I know we need the rain. It's been dry lately. So this at least will bring some much needed precipitation for our area. But this is Thursday evening, southeast Georgia. You're getting what we call an MCS, a mesoscale complex system. Fancy word for a couple scattered thunderstorms cruising across our area and shifting towards the south. I know this shows Jacksonville in it, but I think pretty much for our northern counties, across from Waycross all the way out towards Brunswick, that's where you're going to be seeing that highest chance here on Thursday. Friday, a little different chance. In the morning, we're going to see this wave of energy kick on by as our front starts to approach from the north and west. That's going to bring some thunderstorms just in time. Lou Turner, of course, will be here Friday morning on Good Morning Jacksonville, so you'll be wanting to watch us then as those storms push on through. Kicks that off towards the east. Now, the question is midday if that sun comes out. If it does, we could see the atmosphere unstabilize again, and we could see another round Friday afternoon as well. So it's a couple waves of some thunderstorms pushing through. Friday's definitely at least going to be a wet one for the morning commute, and then things slowly start to clear out heading into your weekend out there. But at least ahead of these storms, I just want to mention that southerly breeze is going to be in play, and look at these windy conditions as we go ahead through the day on Thursday. 15 to 25 miles per hour. That is going to just be this warm, hot wind that's going to be setting up. So those heat indices could be in the triple digits at spots there here on our Thursday. Yeah, it's some warm weather before that front pushes on through and at least this cools us down as we go ahead into the weekend.
Robert,